how to fix Valorant crashing mid-game problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, type here game mode, click on it, and now enable game mode, go to Xbox game bar, disable it. After that just close after that just go to graphics settings, and then once you're here just make sure to enable hardware accelerated, and that's it. Now close it and then restart your PC, and after restarting your PC right click here and go to task manager. Now go to startup. Now just close all the applications that you don't want to start when you start up your PC, like Spotify and things like that. Right click on it and you will find here disable, and disable it. And that's it. Now all you need to do is just restart your PC, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.